In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneDrive files on Windows. If you've just deleted something important, don't panic. OneDrive makes it straightforward to recover files and folders using the recycle bin in the web app. I'll walk you through the process, show you 2 ways to restore items, and help you confirm they're back where you need them. Start by opening your browser and going to the OneDrive homepage. If you're asked to sign in, use the Microsoft account that holds your files. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Recycle Bin. This is where OneDrive sends deleted items, and they typically remain there for a limited time before being permanently removed. Click Recycle Bin to open it. Inside the Recycle Bin, locate the files or folders you want to bring back. You can sort columns to make items easier to find or use the search box if you remember the name. To select what you want to restore, click the checkbox next to each file or folder. You can select multiple items by holding Shift to choose a range, or Control to pick individual entries. With your items selected, use the Restore button at the top of the page. One click returns the selected files or folders to their original locations in your OneDrive. If the Restore button looks grayed out, it means nothing is currently selected. Pick at least one item and try again. If you prefer using the context menu, there's another way. Select or point to the file, right-click it, and choose Restore. This performs the same action as the toolbar button and is especially handy when you're restoring a single item or when you're already working with the right-click menu. When the restore completes, head back to your files by clicking My Files in the left navigation. Check the original folder where the item lived. That's where OneDrive places restored content. If that folder no longer exists, look in My Files at the top level or use the search bar to find the restored item quickly. A couple of quick tips to help you succeed. If you don't see the file in the recycle bin, it may have been permanently deleted or the retention period may have expired. Also, restoring from the recycle bin brings back deleted items. If you're trying to roll back to an earlier version of a file that still exists, use version history from within My Files instead. And that's it. You've learned how to restore deleted items from the OneDrive recycle bin and verify they're back where you expect them. Give it a try now so the steps stick.